Hello friends! Today we're going to learn 3 new words in English. Are you ready? Great! Let's start. Sad, hot, small, sad, hot, small. Let's match the photos with their names. The first one is sad. The second one is hot. And the last one is small. Sad, hot, small. Amazing! Now, let's spell and pronounce the words together. What is this? This is sad. S-A-D. Sad. What is this? This is hot. H-O-T. Hot. What is this? This is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Superb! Now, listen and try to understand what does Mr. Baker got to say.
The little child is very sad because he can't find his toy. When he's sad, he always cries.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? Sad. Now listen again and try to understand what does Mr. Baker talk about.
I live in a hot city. I go swimming when it's hot. I also eat ice cream in hot weather.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? Hot. Now listen again and try to understand what does Mr. Baker talk about.
I have a small dog. The dog has small paws. It lives in a small kitchen.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? Small. And finally, let's put these words in sentences. The man looks sad. In summer, the weather is hot. Ella is the smallest girl in her class. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day!